We'll have blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Hey guys, it's CP, and today is still the day before my sister's graduation, and we have this balloon arch kit that we need to assemble. It includes 120 balloons that we need to pump. I'm basically making a balloon arch for our car because due to COVID-19, my sister can't have a regular graduation where people, you know, sit in the crowd and things like that. But we'll be able to drive in our car, and I wanted to bring in this really cool balloon arch for my dad's car. So far, I think Jason has started pumping maybe like 15 balloons. So we're gonna work on this, and hopefully we should get at least half the balloons for this arch. And so yeah, so we'll just check in every now and then while we work on these balloons. Okay, little update. We have some good balloons here, so we could show back there. We found a second pump. So the first pump we were using broke, so I just bought this at the dollar store earlier today, and it hella broke. And then we were using this like ball pump for a while, and it was so hard because there was no like attachment piece. So, but I found my second pump, which Jason's now using, so I think we're making some progress. So yeah. So this was the other pump we were using. There's like no attachment because it's a bike pump, and it did the job. But this other one we have is killing it right now. And he did. So this balloon's really nice. There's like confetti inside of it. I think we're gonna check if this here stack of balloons could make an arch, and if not, we're gonna make some more. So this next part, I'm supposed to attach the balloons to this piece here, which is called, I'm not really sure what it's called, but it is basically the strip that makes the arch. So let's go ahead and figure this out. Okay, so it's taped on, and it says to feed the balloon through the big hole. So if you guys see here, so there's a big hole and then a small hole. So you're supposed to put the balloon through the big hole and then secure it through the small hole. So I guess I go through and I attach balloons to this. So I guess I attach the circle into the big one and then move it to the small circle. Alright, we got one attached. Cool. Now what? Do you just keep going? Wow, okay, this is pretty easy enough actually. This is surprisingly easy. Supposed to be random. I always get this way. You just like randomize things. I always want to make it like a pattern, and then I get stuck in the pattern. And then I'm trying to make something random, you know. Does anyone else get that way? What I'm doing is basically grabbing all the medium to large size balloons, and then I have all these like smaller balloons which I'll add on to the arch tomorrow when it's actually attached. I think I made enough. Oh, I definitely should have made some room for the bottom of the arch. Alright, we're gonna have to take apart some of these. Okay, so I would say I put about half the balloons so far, only to realize that I think I might have been putting it in wrong on the dot. So, for you guys to know, see this hole here? So you're supposed to stick it through there. We should also put the knot through there, like so. So this is what not to do. Okay, and then you see how there's still the knot underneath, and then I basically just moved it over to the small hole to lock it in. But I think the more secure way is when you're in the big hole to pull the knot through and then slide that to the small space. So it is definitely more secure. I might have to redo some of these. And that's okay because I need to actually put more forgiving string, but I'm a little sad I didn't think of that earlier. Now you guys know. Okie dokie, so it is 10:40 p.m. I've accomplished this much of the arch, which looks pretty good actually. I would say it's about the size of the car. The arch part isn't too apparent, but just depends, I guess, where I put it on the car. Like, I think there would be a nice arch there, but I do have a few balloons that I will add tomorrow. I don't know if this will fit in my car, so I have a smaller car, and I just hope the balloons survive. I've so far have popped only one, which is not too bad. But yeah, so I'm gonna bring some balloons for tomorrow. I'm gonna call it a day, and I'll see you guys then. All right. So need to load the car. Here's the little arch. Wow, so cute. See, if this was my car, if the arch was going on my car, it totally fit. Look how small my car is. Yay, it fit in the car. I'm gonna try to stuff other things in here. Ah, I think I could fit it. Okay, so we did it. Put it in the car. Look at it. Wow. Balloon arch up. So now I'm gonna take these small dots to add the smaller stickers, smaller balloons onto the arch.
Wow, talaga lang ha.
It's to add dimension.
Oh my God.
I don't know what I'm doing, AJ.
Me neither.
We'll have a break. Blah, blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
This is Sir Mogan.
This is look like it's look.